In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make AI videos fast with HeyGen AI Studio, full tutorial for beginners. We'll go from a blank browser to a finished AI presenter video, keeping every click simple and beginner-friendly. HeyGen AI Studio is a web tool that creates presenter-style videos from text, so you don't need a camera, a microphone, or editing experience. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type HeyGen and hit enter. In the results, select the official HeyGen website to open it. On the home page, look for the Create option and click it. Next, choose Create a Video and then pick Create in AI Studio. This takes you into the workspace where everything comes together. Inside AI Studio, you'll see a canvas and controls. On the right-hand side panel, browse the available avatars and select the one that fits your message and audience. You can change this later, but choosing an avatar that matches your brand tone, formal, friendly, or energetic, will help your video feel consistent. Now add your words. Type or paste your script into the script box. Keep sentences clear and conversational. Use punctuation for natural pauses, and spell out numbers or abbreviations if you want them pronounced a certain way. If your script is long, consider short paragraphs to improve pacing, but keep it in the same box. Once your avatar and script are set, give the page a moment to load any previews or settings. Rendering can take a little while depending on length and traffic, so be patient. This is a good time to stretch or grab a coffee while the system prepares your video. When everything is ready, click Generate. If you see example options or prompts such as clone this video, use them only if they match what you want. Otherwise, stick with your current setup. After reviewing that choice, click Submit to start the final generation. The platform will process your request and build the video with the avatar narrating your script. That's the whole flow. Google to HeyGen, into AI Studio, pick an avatar, add your script, wait for the system to load, generate, and submit. Stay organized by keeping your script handy and double-checking names, dates, and pronunciation cues before you start. If your connection is slow, avoid switching tabs during generation to keep things stable. And remember, the on-screen preview is just a guide. The final render will be higher quality. With these steps, you can produce clean, professional AI videos quickly and repeat the process anytime you need a new piece of content.